So, Loy Machedo speaking to you from loymachedo.com, who's Loy Machedo, Think Personal Branding, and we have Bitcoin, which was going to go to 100,000. 100,000 they predicted. Kathy Wood and getting wood, you know what is getting a wood, no? Getting toying. Kathy Wood and all the other cryptocurrency gurus. Oh, Michael Shermer and Michael some Taylor or something. It will go to $100,000 by end of the year. 100,000. $500,000 it'll go. It'll go to 1 million, 100 million. How much is it right now? I don't know. Must be $100,000 one Bitcoin. Okay, anyway. So this man who claimed to be the Bitcoin inventor wins a dispute of 50 billion, not Zimbabwean dollars, not Indian rupees, not Pakistani paisa. It is 15 billion dollar. Okay, whatever. Florida judge says Craig Wright. Craig Wright. Craig Wright. What's such an English name? Does not owe 1.1 million Bitcoin to the family of his friend David Kleiman. I don't know who the fuck are all these guys, but they seems to have, apparently they created Bitcoin technology. The father of Bitcoin. Okay. Craig Wright, a computer scientist who claims to be the inventor of Bitcoin, prevailed in the civil trial last year on Monday against the family of the deceased business partner who claimed that it owed half the cryptocurrency fortune worth tens of billions. See, when money comes, no, everybody wants a share of the pie. Who doesn't want money? I want, you want, everyone wants. Okay. And in abroad, it's always the case, just like Facebook, how Mark Zuckerberg fucked, his partner, just as Twitter, Dorsey fucked, his partner. Every company, they fucked the other guy. Okay, so in the same way, this Bitcoin was the other guy. Okay, I know, sound effects, what to do. If you want some other sound effect, we can try that also. Okay, sorry, I drank coffee. Yeah, it's too hyper. Wait, let me drink one more espresso and get energy. Florida judge found that Wright did not owe 1.1 million Bitcoin to the family of David Kleiman. The jury did award 100 million in intellectual property rights to a joint venture between the two men, a fraction of what Kleiman's lawyers were asking for the trial. Okay, this is a tremendous victory from our side, said Andreas Rivio of Rivio LLP lead lawyer. Okay, all that bullshit. Okay, fine. So in other words, what happened is these two guys created Bitcoin and one guy died. Can you believe? And he couldn't take the Bitcoin to heaven. So his family wanted it. It's like, we want this money. We want this. We want to enjoy all this hard work that he put, Especially, it's like Jeff Bezos' wife, for being his babysitter, for opening her legs and allowing all the stuff. When he divorced her or she divorced him, she got his billions for free, and because anyway free money she was giving to charity and all that. So this is free sense of entitlement that women have, and especially families have. Oh, his money, my money, same. Okay, just like when I die, my wife will take everything. That's why you should enjoy life. Enjoy, just like Shaq. He says, it's not our money. We don't have money. I have money. Not we. I have money. It's the same way I tell my wife, it's not our money. It's my money. Thank you very much. Okay. You should be like me. Yeah. David Kleiman died on April 30, 2013 at the age of 46. Shit. I'm 45. Going to be 45. Okay. Led by his brother Ira, Kleiman. His family claimed that David Kleiman and Wright were close friends and co-created Bitcoin. You don't have anything in fucking writing, you're fucked. That is why even when you get married, have a prenuptial agreement, otherwise nothing works. At the center of the trial were 1.1 million Bitcoins. Wow, that is God, bigger than God. Worth approximately 50 billion on Monday's prices. Just imagine if he has to pay tax. If they say you have to pay tax, he's bamboozled. Okay. Then he'll tell the truth whether he has the Bitcoins or not. When he doesn't have to pay tax, he can claim whatever he wants. These were among the first Bitcoin to be created through mining that could only be owned by a person or entity involved in digital currency from its beginning, such as Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto. Till now, they don't know who it is. Now, the cryptocurrency community will be looking to see if Wright follows through his promise to prove that he's the owner of Bitcoin. Just imagine if he dies. Finish. 1.1 billion Bitcoin is kalas. Please, before that, some girl better shag him properly, give him a good lulu. I don't know how to do it anyway. Okay, she, dirty mind. I was talking about licking a lollipop. Okay, doing so would lead credence to Wright's claim, which he made in 2016, that he is Nakamoto. He is a moto. Okay, but why the fuck has he to put a fake name and then... See, this is the problem. If you created it, prove it and end the discussion instead of simply dragging this. But like I told you, if in case he has to pay tax, then he will start to deny it because nobody wants to pay tax. Okay, the fun will start if he has to pay tax. The case tried in federal court in Miami was highly technical, and the jury listened. Oh, Miami, my friends are there. Okay. Big rich friends and ones with big boobies, everyone stays in Miami. Okay, with the jury listening to the explanation of intricacy workings of cryptocurrencies, too much of hi-fi English here, as well as murky origins, the murky of how Bitcoin came to be. Jurors took the whole week of deliberate, repeatedly asking questions of lawyers of both sides, as well as the judge, of how cryptocurrencies work, because the judge himself doesn't know how the fuck cryptocurrencies work, as well as business relationship between the two men. They had I'll give you, you give me. Okay. At one point, the jurors signaled to the judge that they were deadlocked. Yeah, because you have a currency up in somewhere, the speculation is sky high. It's called a cryptocurrency, but nobody is using it as a currency. Okay. Bitcoin's origin have been a mystery and all this bullshit was there. Okay, Nakamoto roughly translate to center of. I don't want to go through all this shit. You can read it. It's a nice little article. Wright claimed that Nakamoto was met with skepticism from a sizable portion of the cryptocurrency community. Due to its structure, all transactions in Bitcoin are public, and the 1.1 million Bitcoin in question have been remained untouched. Members of the Bitcoin community have regularly called for Wright to move a fraction of the coins to a separate account to prove his ownership and that he is truly wealthy as he claims. But he has not done it. Okay. Maybe he wants to drag the attention for a little bit longer. But just imagine, once people come to know that you're worth 50 billion, you better have security, you better have protection. Otherwise, someone will kidnap you and every day threaten, I'll chop your little finger, other finger, your sausage, everything else if you don't pay me the money. He better have security. During the trial, both Wright and cryptocurrency experts testified under oath that Wright owns the Bitcoin in question. Wright said he would prove his ownership. Why the fuck don't you prove it? Just prove it, man. The lawyers for W&K Information Defense Research LLC, the joint venture between the two men, said they were gratified that the jury awarded the 100 million in intellectual property rights of the company. Okay, fine, whatever bullshit. Right, then at the ending, it comes down to this. Wright said he plans to donate as much as Bitcoin's fortune to charity, which is rubbish. If he were to win the trial, which is total rubbish, I can challenge you, he's not going to give any charity. Charity will give 1 million, whatever, if he owns billions. But this is all bullshit. Okay. Overall, he says, okay, then he, has promised to donate as much as possible. See, overall, what I'll tell you is, you can make a lot of claims. Who knows? I don't know. You don't know. Okay. Will he give it to charity? I don't think so. Does he own the Bitcoin? I don't know. But just like Bitcoin, everything is speculation here. Everything is bloody speculation. Okay. I just hope that, the truth comes out, because it's always good to know the truth. And I just hope he doesn't get killed or he doesn't die. And last but not the least, if he is really the owner, release it. But then the question comes, what happens next? Anyway, I thought I would speak this out and let you guys know, because most of you are crazy about Bitcoin. So let's see what happens next. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think he's actually the owner of Bitcoin? Yes, no? Do you think this is a good judgment? And most importantly, what the fuck happened? You said 100,000. It'll go to 100,000. I told you, it'll not go. But now I know what you say. Oh, Loy, I'm very glad the price crashed. Now I can buy as much as you want. How much money do you fucking have? 30,000? You can buy one Bitcoin. What the fuck you'll do? Yeah. The prices will kind of be more or less at this. I think it's 50,000 or whatever. It'll be more or less at this level. And eventually, they will just hype it up and bring it up and talk. I'll tell you best thing, if you really want to invest in any coin, the only way is put your money, as soon as it goes up, take it out. That's the only thing you can do. And I'm not giving any financial advice. This is the only thing I can see people doing. Yes, there are the ones who invested very long time ago. They are millionaires. Rest, it's just a gamble. Anyway, I wanted to put this video out there. Let me know your thoughts. This is me signing off. You guys take care.
Are you fed up of life? Earning a pathetic salary, working long hours, having an ungrateful boss, facing office politics, the constant fear of losing your job, and after paying rent, groceries, shopping, and children's expenses, you were left with hardly any savings. Is this the life you dreamed of? Or do you wish to change your life forever? Meet Machedo, the world's #1 personal branding coach. He will help you identify the real you, position and sell yourself by getting the job of your dreams, and make good money anywhere in the world. If you do not believe me, Google his name, Machedo, and you will find 2 million web links online and over 200 recommendations from very happy clients. So the question is, do you want to change your life? If yes, then contact Machedo. www.loymachedo.com. Who is loymachedo.com? Thinkpersonalbranding.com. What are you waiting for? Do it now.